This is the beginning of my van life, episode 1, and today I'm going to go and have a look at the car, which I'm not going to tell you what car this is. This is the car which I chose, or this is the car maybe which chose me. And I have to travel actually 200 kilometers. I'm going to go on a public transport, on a train, and we are going to see what this is all about. I'm quite excited, and the weather today, it's sunny now, as you can see. With some clouds in the background. But in any event, I'm just about to leave. We've got just before 8 a.m. The journey gonna take around 3 hours and 20 minutes. So you might see also how the Polish train tracks and railway operates and how it looks. Let's get into it. Okay, so on the way back, I'm after the transaction, and as you can see here, there's the car. Some of you may already be able to tell what type of car this is, or what model and what make. I'm not gonna tell you as of yet. I'm gonna show you later on. So I've got another like 150 kilometers to drive, and I'll see you there. Whoop. Okay guys, where I am at, as you can see, I'm in a car. So I meant to give you a tour of the car, and I meant to tell you actually what car this is. So I've made home safely, sound and safe, and basically a lot of happening in between. So I took the car to the mechanics to get the front suspension checked and done. It's not actually the whole suspension, it's just the connector bits which goes to the axis of the wheels and stuff like that. In the meantime, I also did go for another journey, and I did my kitesurfing instructor course, and here we are now. So basically this is a ferry. So I am on the almost top deck. I'm just looking here because the safety guy keeps walking around here, and there's more cars that come in, as you can see here, and getting parked. So basically I'm in my van, and I am on a ferry from Poland. There's a place called Świnoujście, and I'm going to Ystad in Sweden, and after that I'm gonna be going to Copenhagen, so Denmark. So I'll tell you all about that, what's the deal, why I'm going there and stuff like that. And in the meantime, you can see that I've got all my stuff at the back of the van. So there's my mattress, my bed, my surfboard, kite surfboard, my longboard, and my boxes with clothes, some food, tools like for the car and things like that. What else? I'm gonna show you all that when I get to my destination, and probably I'm gonna show you some footage also on the way. I was quite in a rush, so I wasn't capturing any footage from me getting here and stuff like that, because it would be just too much for me. So as for now, I'm gonna just give you some probably tour over the ferry. Maybe not a tour, but I'm gonna find like a spots here and there and show you what's the dealio. Because this ferry gonna be going for probably 6-7 hours from Poland to Sweden. So at the moment all the cars are loading up onto the different decks, and we've got 10 p.m. so we're supposed to be leaving at past. So in any event, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so apparently I need to move from this car deck, so I'm gonna lock up my car and I'm gonna show you how high we are. By now some of you may tell that this is the Chrysler Voyager. That's my van. Here we go. And let me quickly show you where we at. So at the moment we're in the harbor. Look how high this is. And I need to move out from this car deck. We're actually moving. Okay. So I'm gonna make my way. I need to remember what deck this is. It says 7. Okay. 7 is a good number. There's my car. Here you can put your baggage, store it here. It looks like you have to pay, and let's go inside. Okay, so this is deck 7, and let's have a look upstairs. Okay, we'll do some shops and the bar. So my car is parked here on the deck 7. It's 8 and 9. Let's find these airplane seats. Airplane chairs.
Proszę uwagę.
There.
Pani
This is the
Iryna
outside.
Łukaszewicz. Pani Iryna Łukaszewicz. Proszona jest o pilny kontakt z recepcją.
Okay, I'm going to show you different ships. Which they've got in offer. And we are on this one. Check this out. So just there behind, there was someone basically just squashing in the corner with their sleeping bag, chilling.